my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Alex here, WACO, man. Like I told y'all, man, these behind the scenes videos, membership videos is coming full throttle. Boom. So we got our heads right there. Don't worry about the top because we was just painting the heads themselves. We're gonna go back and do the valve covers a different color. Y'all already know. So that's coming together, that's drying, etc. Then we got our block over here. This is the engine block. There's the old oil pan, the truck oil pan, which we will not be utilizing in this setup. So we'll have to change the oil pan in order to get that one put on there. With the new oil pan comes a new oil pickup tube, new windage tray, some more goodies. Let me go ahead and show that to you right about now. All right, so as you can see down here, we got the new oil pan, muscle car oil pan, muscle car pickup tube, and the windage tray that's required for that. So we'll come on up here, and then we can pull off our old one after we've removed all bolts required. Remember we was talking about that pickup tube girdle. I'm gonna show y'all where that's gonna go right there. And then the windage tray is gonna come off right there. That's gonna go in there, and that's gonna leave that exposed. Bless me. So that leaves that exposed so that we can go ahead and put that down like so. All right, so as you can see, we got the block right side up. Got the muscle car oil pan on there. And oh look, LSX Innovations. That's right, that's the adapter place that we're gonna use to put this motor into this car. There are some adapter plates, or the actual motor mounts, clamshells that I will need to mount to these to make sure that it's able to go into the car, but for the most part, we're good to go. So pretty much at this point, we are ready to go ahead and put the heads on, man. Heads, push rods, all that goody good stuff. So I don't recall, I don't believe I needed to upgrade the lifters on this one. I think we should be good to go, but cause I'm trying not to fall down that hole of while we're here. Like, yeah, while we're here, while we are here, just let's go ahead and replace it. Like I already had to fight for it past the water, or not the water pump, but the oil pump and all of that. So I'm really trying to not be like, oh, well, there's the lifters. Let's just do it just because. You know what I'm saying? So let's just hope that this one time it don't come back to bite me in my ass. Please, Jesus. Because if not, then yeah. So I want to say by looking at the cam lobes, everything looks to be fine, I believe. Like we wasn't even pulling nothing out or nothing like that. So I think we'll be good to go. So Next time I bring y'all back, man, I should have these valve covers painted blue the way I want them to. They'll match that over there. We'll put the heads on, get some new head bolts, get them torqued down, get the heads torqued on there, get our valley cover, get the actual flywheel that we're gonna run with this setup installed, and then yeah, man, it's go time from there. So make sure y'all stay tuned in. It's your boy LSJ254. Shout out to the members. This one's for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Exclusive behind the scenes footage under the tarp, so you know what's going down. So next up on the agenda today, gonna be putting this aircraft paint remover, a clean strip on these valve covers here. I already got it applied. Definitely want to use it in the ventilated area. Said it takes about 45 minutes to bare metal. It says metal. It's fine. Strips of bare metal. Use on metal, fiberglass, flexible and rigid plastics. Don't strip bathtubs. It doesn't say don't use on aluminum, but I'm gonna probably baby step it. I probably won't wait the whole 45 minutes, but give it maybe 10 to 15, let it do its thing. Bring y'all back. All right, so as you can see, whatever it was, it worked pretty well. We got it down to the metal. Gonna dry them off, block off our holes for the bolts where the brackets mount, and then we're gonna paint them. All right, so to wrap up this portion, as you can see, valve covers are gone, paint left over, all that good stuff. Sexy. Got the motor mounts, clamshells put on. Got our blue and silver thing going on for Sapphire. She gonna be hot. Yes, sir. She's gonna be hot. Probably the next video, go ahead and get the head bolts, get the heads torqued down on there. I'm probably gonna just gonna go ahead and put the engine and transmission together and slide it in the car. I want to say that's what I did with the 2-door, so do the same with this one. Take the radiator out, of course, so we don't bang it up. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do that first. I might go ahead and do the fuel, drop the tank, put the new center unit in there, new pump, all that good stuff, and then go from there. But yeah, I think that probably is what I do. I do the tank and sit, and then I worry about then I get the engine, rest of the engine put together, get the coil packs and all that stuff put on there, lift it up, put it in there, good to go. So, till next time, it's your boy LSJ254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.